Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle, cleaning one mess up at a time. If you're new, welcome. My name's Michelle and I'm the one behind the messes. And if you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit subscribe because I want to take you on my messy journey. This is part 3 of my spring cleaning routine and I'm tackling my living room. And I have to say that I definitely saved the best for last for you. There's so many super satisfying results in this video. Definitely stick around because it's well worth the wait and you'll be so surprised on what I find in my carpets, my couch cushions, as well as my throw cushions. Right now I'm making a glass cleaner for my mirror. If you missed my last video about me going green, I'll link it above for you, and I talk about going green in my everyday cleaning routine. I'm also pleased to let you know that I transferred all my homemade cleaning products into glass spray bottles rather than using plastic, and I'll link the types of bottles that I'm using below for you. Alright, so I'm just going to address the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm wearing socks and sandals, but I have to tell you, it's just something I like to wear when I'm cleaning. And these Nike slides are so comfortable, they're great for around the house. With the couch being vacuumed, I'm going to clean it with the Bissell Little Green Pro Heat Pet Spot Cleaner. Now, I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly because there's so many super satisfying things in this video, and this is one of them. This is a very high traffic area, and I definitely need to clean it regularly, especially with sharing the couch with the dogs. Now, this Little Green Pro Heat is such an amazing little machine, so I'm going to link it down in the description box for you. So here's the results that was extracted from my couch cushions. You can see that the water is brown, it is murky, and it's gross. Comment down below if you're like me, who was actually super excited to see what came out of the couch cushions. I think I really wanted to rush through this because I wanted to see what was hiding in those couch cushions. Alright, so buckle up because we are going into the even more satisfying part of this video. This is my extraction of my carpets. Now, just keep in mind that I do own 2 dogs, Duke and Buster, and as I said, this is a very high traffic area in our living room that we use on a daily basis. So we usually can be found inside the living room, so you'll notice that there's a lot of hidden surprises in that carpet. But stick around because I'm going to assure you that it's definitely well worth your while to finish this video to the end. For those who are new, I'm using my Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max. I'll link it down in the description box for you. But just so you know, this is a wonderful machine to have, especially when you have hardwood floors and tiles as well as rugs, because it's a dry and wet mop. Now, I have to tell you, since purchasing it, it is such a dream to have because it's cut down my cleaning of my floors by almost 50%. And I have to tell you, not only is it a great little machine, but it's so super satisfying to see what gets extracted from my carpets. And you'll definitely see a little bit later exactly what I'm talking about. When I purchased this carpet, I didn't take in consideration the 2 different levels of carpet pile. Now, the design in it is a low pile carpet, and the creamy whitish part is a high pile. So every single time that I'm vacuuming my floors or using my Bissell, it feels like I'm going over a dirt road. Now you can see a little bit later, I am having a bit of a tough time pushing it around, and it's not because of the Bissell, it's because the actual carpet is just so hard to roll over nice and smoothly. So it's great to look at, but maybe not the most functional, especially when I have 2 dogs. The low pile carpet definitely collects the most hair just because it's a little bit harder to get in those little nooks and crannies with the Bissell as well as my Dyson. All right, so this is the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I have to say this is quite ugly. I was so surprised to see how much fur was taken out of the rug. I usually vacuum my carpet quite regularly, and I have extracted the rugs about 2 or 3 times before, but man, this even made me gasp when I saw how much fur was inside. I guess with the changing seasons, the dogs are losing a lot more fur, but as I said, I'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And comment below if you have a dog as well, or a cat, or any animal with lots of fur, because I hope I'm not the only one who has this problem with animals. Now, it seems like I haven't vacuumed for like 10 years, but I assure you, I definitely keep on top of my vacuuming. I think it's just one of those things that the bristles of the Bissell, yes, that rhymes, just really did their job and really pulled out all of that extra hair that was probably stuck in those grooves on my carpet. And as you can see, that water is nasty and it's filthy, but as I said before, this is high traffic, so I guess that's only expected. I'm going to link above my first video, how to clean a furry throw pillow. Now, if you didn't watch the video, definitely check it out because it was my first video that I posted on YouTube. And things have changed since that video. One, that I actually invested into a tripod for my phone. In the first video, I do mention that it was difficult to clean the pillow as well as extract because I had my phone in one hand and the extractor in the other. So things have definitely changed for the better since my last video. So I'm nearing the home stretch and all I have to do is clean off the ottoman. As you can tell, Buster is nice and comfortable on the nice clean couch, and Duke is just patiently waiting for me to finish cleaning the ottoman because he just loves hopping on this thing and lounging out during the day. I really hope you enjoyed this super satisfying video. Comment down below and let me know which is your favorite part of the extractions. Was it the couch, the pillows, or the carpet? So before you head out, make sure to hit subscribe and like this video. And comment below if you want to see more of these extractions. So that's it. I'm finally completed. The house feels so nice and fresh and it smells so nice and fresh. So I'll see you in my next video and I really hope you enjoyed this one.